The cost of auto insurance increasing across the country, especially here in Nevada. Our state 38% above the national average. 8 News Now's Madison Kimbrough is looking into why these increases are happening. She joins us now with the details. Madison.
Yeah, the national average for full coverage car insurance costs between $600 to $2,000 a year. But here in the state of Nevada, our drivers are paying just over $2,700 per year, and that's according to Bankrate.
We've never had any violations of any kind. When we got our last bill, they said, well, your insurance has gone up $250 per car. We're both on fixed incomes, so that was substantial.
Dave Hill not too pleased with his auto insurance bill as of recent. He says within the last several months it has skyrocketed, and he was never given an explanation as to why.
We started shopping around, and then we went with State Farm, and it's half of that for the same coverage. So we just started to wonder if that was an issue down here in Vegas, particularly Clark County.
Janet Ruiz with the Insurance Information Institute providing 8 News Now with why drivers are seeing these increases and what they can do to help themselves in the process.
We've seen a dramatic increase of cars back on the road after the pandemic and increased bad driving behavior.
Ruiz also stating that the effects of inflation have a lot to do with it.
There's parts shortages, so that's increased the cost of labor to repair cars. It's also increased the time that people have to wait for their car to get repaired. So all these things have come together to require us to increase the premiums for auto coverage.
And as for ways to combat the high cost, Ruiz says you should check in with your insurance carrier on what type of discounts are available. Also,
the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety gives out ratings on cars, safety ratings, and those cars tend to get discounts when you get your auto insurance.
Ruiz also sharing with me that the number of car thefts and break-ins have also increased the premiums too. Now cars such as Kias and Hyundais are at the top of those break-in list. Reporting live, Madison Kimbrough, 8 News Now.
Thank you, Madison. And as for the top 5 most expensive states for car insurance, according to Bankrate, it is Florida, New York, Louisiana. We mentioned our state, followed by Michigan.